Welcome to the astCRM training video on B2B sales process designed in the CRM software. This training video is restricted to sales process only. Please refer to other videos on more information on other CRM functionalities. This slide explains the B2B sales process across most of the businesses. There are primarily 3 stages in B2B sales process. These are leads, opportunity, and customers. In B2B sales, the customer is known as account or organization, and the persons whom you are dealing with in the account are contacts. There can be more than one contact for any organization. The first stage is the lead. Lead is a potential sales contact, and is the starting point for a new sale. The leads are classified as new when created fresh. When assigned to a salesperson, the status changes to assigned. CRM facilitates tracking of all lead follow-up activities. When the assigned user follows up the lead, the status of the lead changes to in process. If the lead has a requirement of your products or services, then the lead is converted to opportunity. If the lead is not relevant to the business, the salesperson can mark the lead as dead. If the marketing team still feels that the lead has a potential, they can mark the lead as recycled and assign again to the same or a different salesperson for one more follow-up. Lead conversion is done for creation of a new customer, with creation of a new opportunity and new sales closure. If there is a new opportunity on an existing customer, a new opportunity can be created directly from the account or organization page without creating any new leads. The second stage is opportunity. The statuses are prospecting or need analysis, proposal when a quote is submitted, negotiation stage when the customer is finalizing the commercials. More than one quote or proposal can be given for an opportunity. Once the customer accepts the quote and issues a purchase order, the opportunity is closed and won. If the customer rejects the proposal, the opportunity is lost. Reason for such loss also needs to be indicated. When the proposal is accepted by the customer, the opportunity is won and the customer is created. All projects, SLA, AMC, service tickets are executed in the customer tab. New opportunities are created on the existing customer page and not on the leads. The next section explains the lead follow-up process in the CRM. Start the sales by creating a new lead and fill the correct details. Name of the person dealing with you in the company is the name of the lead. Enter follow-up remarks after interacting with the client. Also choose the likely product which the customer will purchase. Mark the lead hot, warm or cold for easy follow-up. The date and time of the remark will be captured along with the history of remarks. Follow-up activities are carried out by scheduling calls and meetings with the client. The lead stages are generally new, assigned, in process, converted, recycled and dead. If the lead has the requirement of your products or services, you need to convert this lead into an opportunity. To convert, click on the Convert button at the top right-hand corner of the page. When you convert a lead to opportunity, you should also create an account and contacts so that the quotes are mailed to them. The created account will be a prospect till the time the opportunity is closed won. So it is important that you tick all 3: company name, contact, and opportunity. An opportunity should contain an item list with the commercials. Choose the item from the product master by clicking on the plus sign in the item list table. Also choose the type of opportunity and the likely date that you would ideally close the deal. Then click on the small arrow to select product from the product master. Do not type any new product, but select the existing product from the product master table by clicking on the small arrow. You can use all the filters available to select the desired product. If your product is not listed, please contact your CRM administrator to create the product. When the product is selected, it automatically selects the listed price of the product from the product master. You are free to change the price as per your agreement with the customer. If the final price is lesser than the listed price, the difference will be calculated as the discount offered, and if the selected price is greater than the listed price, you are selling at a higher price. You can add more products as required for the opportunity. Once the products and financials are finalized, click on the Convert button below to convert to opportunity. All further transactions on the converted lead is done on the Opportunity tab. Opportunities can be accessed from the lead page as shown, or directly directly from the opportunity module. The next section explains the conversion from opportunity stage to the customer stage and the related financials. You can follow up the concerned opportunity till closure in the follow-up tab, similar to what was described in leads. All activities, namely email, calls and meetings, can also be scheduled in the activity tab with the reminders which will be displayed on your calendar. Once an opportunity is created, the next stage is to send a proposal or a quote. Create a new quote by clicking on the plus sign in the quote table below the opportunity. On clicking on the plus sign, you can save the quote and thereafter open the created quote to edit it further. This is the created quote in full form. The commercial selected in the opportunity tab is replicated here. Other commercials terms for the quote are also available and can be edited. The quotes can be printed to PDF with any templates as per your choice. The quotes can be mailed from CRM directly with the management approved email template. The opportunity is followed and once closed one, tick on the approval box. You can raise more than one quote for the same opportunity and this can be tracked till closure. When the opportunity is closed one, the status of the converted customer is changed from prospect to customer. New opportunities can be created on an existing customer as shown here. Once an opportunity is closed and won, raise an invoice and collect payments in the invoice and receipt tabs as shown here. Based on the invoice and receipts, the financials will also be updated on the opportunity tab as shown. The inputs on the financial performance of the sales manager is taken from this module and monthly reports are generated. Projects are initiated on the opportunity that is won. Projects are the fundamental module for the service module for ticket management, AMC and SLA tracking. Thank you for taking your time to see this video. Please contact us if you have further queries.